how to find products, inventory, general settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find here this one, inventory. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage general settings, inventory, general settings, and that's it. Now manage here on new ones, and then just click save. It will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.